Okay, so we are going to compare and order radicals, and to do this, what we have to do is go from a mixed form to an entire form, and then order them from least to greatest. So here's the first set. So I have 3 root 7 minus 2 root 15, 10 root 13, and bracket 127 to the power of 1 half. So this 3 is just the square root of 9 times that. This I can leave as a negative 1, and then I have 2, and that 2 is actually just the square root of 4 times the root of 15. 10 is just the square root of 100 times 13, and 127 to the power of 1 half is just the root of 127. Okay, so now I have this, which is 9 times 7, and this one is negative 4 times 15. This is 100 times 13. And this is still the same, 127. So 7 times 9 is 63. This is minus 4 times 15 is 60. This is 1300. And this is 127. So if we want to order them least to greatest, then we'd have negative root 60, and then root 63, and then the root 127, and the root of 1300. So we can kind of see we've just gone from least, the smallest number, to the greatest number. This one happens to be a negative as well. And it's easier to see the order of the size of the number compared to these mixed radicals. It's much easier to just see that this is the order in which they must be done. Now, we could do another problem. So let's just make a line, separate. So we do minus 2 root 27, and then we have 5 root 3 minus root 80, and 125. So we're actually going to, let's say we group these. So this we can take as minus 2 times the root of 9 times the root of 3 plus 5 root 3. This is, well, that would be 16 times 5, which is the root of 16 times the root of 5. And this is the root of 25 times 5. I've broken up the radical here, but it's the same as if I had not broken the radical. And this is negative 2 times 3 times root 3 plus 5 root 3. That's 4, so minus 4 root 5. And now this one is plus 5 root 5. So now we do this, we multiply this out, and that's going to be negative 6 root 3 plus 5 root 3. And then minus 4 root 5 plus 5 root 5. And if we organize these, so we can say negative 6 root 3 plus 5 root 3 is just negative root 3. And minus 4 root 5 plus 5 root 5 is just plus root 5. And now we've simplified the radical by converting them to mixed radicals and then grouping like terms.